Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make brown rice, sticky brown rice, using pudding rice. I'm going to brown the onions, so the color is going to be very dark brown, and it's going to be sticky, similar to what you find in a sushi thing. I'm going to soak the almonds and the coconut, dry coconut. So the skin needs to come off. The coconut needs to get a bit softened so we can slice it. Okay, that's 1 cup of rice. I'm now going to wash it. Okay, you just need to wash it. You don't need to drain it because it's, it's not a basmati or the sailor rice, so it doesn't need to get soaked. Okay, just a bit more. It's brown now, but we want to make it more darker, so a bit burnt. The darker it is, the darker that the rice will come out. I want the rice to be very dark, so we're going to burn the onions. Okay, the onion is now ready. What I'm going to do is just add the water to it so it stops the burning. Okay, that's 2 cups of water. That should be enough. If we need it anymore, we'll add some water accordingly. But for now, we should be fine. Okay, that's nice and dark. So the rice is going to come out dark. Okay, that's cooking. Okay, the rice is just about to be ready. That's the consistency. Okay, Bismillah.